Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We've got a new box to the channel today. It is the 180-degree box, so let's get into it and check it out. The 180-degree box is a lifestyle box, but it is a box for you. It is all about self-care, personal growth, intentional moments. This was sent to me for review, but since we're reviewing it on the channel, I have a code, Catherine15, that will get you 15% off your first box. I will put all of the information down below. Let's get into this. I am really anxious to see what's in here. This is the first time we're having this box on the channel, so it is new to us. And I started to go out and watch some unboxings about it, but you know what? I decided, let's just be surprised. Look how pretty it is when we open it up. Hello, beautiful. And we have our paperwork right on top. Since it's new to the channel, I made a couple of notes, things I wanted to remember to tell you. It is $55.99 per month. Of course, if you take it out over time, it brings the price down. The box is shipped between the 4th and the 6th, and it says 180-degree box prides themselves in supporting, inspiring, and empowering you by curating a fully unique self-care experience each month to pamper your mind, body, and soul so you can be the best you. Doesn't that sound fantastic? We will have items for personal growth, self-care, fitness, wellness, and mindset to boost our happiness. There will be 7 to 8 full-sized items, books, aromatherapy, home decor, skincare, healthy snacks, fitness, inspirational essentials, and more. So when I went out to check them out after they offered it, it sounded so fantastic. I was like, absolutely. This is the July box. So that is what that looks like. And just because I recently talked to her, I do know that if you order it now, you will get the September box. But she said she does sometimes have past boxes in the shop, so you can go over and check that out. And I think the inside, yes, the inside will tell us a little bit about each item that we have. And I have a note from her in the box. As of when she wrote this note for me, she said she did have a few of these in the marketplace. So if after you see me unbox this, you would like this box, you can go over and check out the marketplace and see if it's still available. Right on top, we have a gift from the gods. This is a cosmetic case. It has kind of a flat bottom. The outside is the plastic. It's really good size. And like I said, it has one of the flat bottoms, so you can make it so that it sits. The inside is nice and pink. This would be perfect for travel. Here we are in summer. You could travel with it if one of your makeup items or skincare items, or if you pack up little shampoos and conditioners, if you had them in here and it happened to leak a little bit, the rest of your luggage would be okay. The paperwork actually tells us this cosmetic bag is the perfect size to store all of your daily travel or makeup essentials. Great for taking your pool or beach essentials that you want to keep together. Pop it in your tote and off you go for a summer adventure. Would like a nice summer adventure. Next out, we have an oil. It says the And Lab Sun Drops. It's very sealed. Let's read about it. Who says you need to fly off to the tropics to get a world-class tan? Harness the power of the sun anywhere with a bottle of the And Lab's Sun Drops. Bestow a healthy sun-kissed glow on your skin and radiate from head to toe with this wondrous bottle. Simply mix the sun drops with a lotion or oil of your choice and apply it to your body. And like magic, a natural and beautiful glow will develop within days. This is the part of the summer where I start saying, I would really wish I would do this. I would love to have just a little bit of a tan. And I do like the idea of maybe trying like 1 drop of this in my lotion when I do my body. And then you could, in theory, build it up. Have you guys done the drops in your lotion? Let me know how it works. Your palms turn orange. That is always one of my biggest fears, that nothing basically will happen to my body and I'll end up with orange palms. This one seems like it has really nice ingredients, nothing in it I can't use, so I should give that a try. Next out, we have Azala Cooling Body Balm. Cooling Body Balm, that's fun. Relieve and soothe. It's got resveratrol, squalene, or squalene. How did we decide we were gonna say it? I can never remember. It's shea butter and ginger root oil. That all sounds fantastic. I imagine cooling because in the summer you could get a sunburn. I try not to get sunburns. Try. At the beginning of the season when we first went to the pool for one of the girls' swim meets, right through here, because I had a crew neck on and I thought, I'm protected. Right up to the crew neck, I was fine. The second I was not in clothing, that part of my chest burned. And when I burn, it stays for a very long time. So I like the idea of this. I was just taking a moment with the ingredients because you guys know I have a few allergies. This seems absolutely fine. It starts with grapeseed oil, which is, I mean, that's a great ingredient to start with. It has glycerin in it and lavender, chamomile, shea butter, so many good things. Ginger root. Let's see what it smells like. It sounds to me like it's gonna smell fantastic. Lavender and ginger. Oh, it's one of the firmer body balms. Oh, it does. It smells so good. I went in with my thumb, assuming that it was gonna be super, super hard. It's not. Here, let me show you. I'll show you how easy it squishes. With just very gentle pressure. So it's not like it's one of the super hard ones. Let's see if it relieves the dry skin on the back of my hands. Between swatching and all of the unboxing videos, the things that I put on my skin, I wash my hands so much that they stay so dry. It smells so good. Definitely smell the lavender in it. Not really the ginger. I thought maybe we'd smell more of the ginger. If you don't love lavender, you probably would not care for this because the lavender is the overarching scent. Oh, that smells, is there menthol in it? There must be menthol in it. Did I miss that? It has a menthol scent to me. It doesn't. Really? If you get this box and you smell this, I mean, I would go to the mattresses that there was menthol in this. That's what the cooling is. It smells like, it does not smell like Vicks Vapor Rub. This does not smell like that. It leans far more lavender than that. But there is an undercurrent of that, but nope, it does not say menthol. I have to believe them. Your skin will love the feel of the soothing balm any day or night. Azala's nutrient-rich balm cools and soothes the body after any day spent in the sun. Indulge in the formula's unique healing properties. It's the perfect antidote for a relaxing evening after a day out. Beautiful smooth skin will be yours all summer long. Each application cools, calms, and quenches the skin to ease discomfort. I don't really feel the cooling of it. I imagine perhaps if I were sunburned, it feels lovely on my skin and it's given my hands a nice glow, but I don't really feel greasy. I mean, there's a little bit left, but it feels really nice. Okay, next out we have, what do we have? Reharvest Provisions Superfood Smoothie Pop. You just chill it, and it has cherry, strawberry, raspberry, beet, and rose water. If that's really all that's in it, I can have this during my Whole30. Let's read. Yes, I can totally have this during my Whole30. But what I found very interesting reading the ingredients on the back is the second ingredient listed is cauliflower. I'm gonna eat this because it could be a very, very lovely treat. 30 calories, so that's fantastic. The paperwork says sometimes dreams do come true. Enjoy your frosé all day. This antioxidant and fiber-rich smoothie blend will set you off to carpe your best life with strawberries, cauliflower, bananas, raspberries, cherries, dates, beet, apple juice, flaxseed, and rose water. That was a complete list of the ingredients, so you can tell how good it is for you. If this is good, I'm gonna have to find these. I think the first place I would look is Thrive, but this could be fantastic. This could be a Whole30 game changer. Okay, next out we have Wicks and Scents bar soap in lemongrass. You guys know, if you watch the channel, you know I love receiving handmade style soaps. If I can avoid just regularly manufactured soaps, it's not that I have anything against them. I don't. I just love more niche soaps. Oh, I was gonna say, I am not seeing this on the paperwork, but it says right up here, free gift. So it's not in the paperwork. It says made with olive oil, organic coconut oil, water, shea butter, sodium hydroxide, cocoa butter, castor oil, lemongrass essential oil, and dried lemon balm. Doesn't that sound so much better than all the chemical names you get in grocery store soap? Oh, it smells nice. It smells like lemongrass. It smells so good. That is what it looks like. I am actually almost ready for soap, so this is going right into action. Yeah, it smells good. Distributed by Wicks and Scents, Orangeburg, South Carolina. My kids are going to Myrtle Beach for their vacation this week, so they're going to be in South Carolina. The only list I sent them off with, slightly embarrassing, is a Buc-ee's list. We don't have those up here in the north, and we wish we did. Just know that we wish we did. If you don't know what a Buc-ee's is, it's, man, I wish I could make it sound better than this. It's a gas station. Look it up, it's awesome. Next out, I have a CLLC Laboratories Hyaluronic Cell Repairing Moisturizing Eye Cream. They did the hyaluronic with, I hope I can get that close enough, the H and then the EYE, hyaluronic. Clever, right? This says, after a day in the sun or any day, refresh and stay glowing with this eye cream. Say hi to sparkling eyes with a deeply hydrating yet gentle contour cream, specially made in Bulgaria for the delicate eye area. I think I've had this brand once before. I had a moisturizer and I liked it. The optimized formula utilizes organic jojoba oil and nanotechnology, allowing the active molecules to penetrate deep into the dermal layers, reducing puffiness, tackling dark circles, and covering signs of fatigue without leaving a greasy residue. Sounds great. This is what it looks like out of the box. It is sealed, but I'm gonna open it. You guys know I love my City Beauty eye cream, but I have maybe a day or two left in it, so I'm gonna be looking for something new. That came out very easily. Actually, I'm gonna put it right here since I have that other balm on my hands. Feels very nice. It has a very light lotiony scent. I like it a lot. We'll leave it there and we'll hopefully remember to come back in a few minutes and see how it absorbs. And now next, this box just keeps on giving. I think I have 2 or 3 things left. Bubble tea, love their products. Bath salts in watermelon fruity edition. For bath only, do not drink or eat. Well, they have to say that because look how cute they made that. I have had bubble tea bath products in the past. I've had their shower gels. I think I had a lotion. I had a bath bomb. Always love it. They always have, I'm opening it. They always have the best scents. I haven't even opened this yet. It is still completely sealed, but just taking that top off, it already smells so good. Oh my gosh. That is lovely. I don't know that I would get watermelon. Hold on, let me try harder. Maybe. It has a slight watermelon scent to it, but generally it just has a really bright fruity scent. I mean, it's a strong scent. This is one of those scents that people say, oh, I can't use stronger scents. I have a headache. And people ask me sometimes, how strong is the scent? This is a strong scent. I suspect by the time you put it in your bath and you have the water in there, it will dissipate greatly, but I probably wouldn't risk it if you don't love strong scents, but I love it. It smells fantastic. Indulge in the pampering and soothing feeling with this fruity, relaxing bath salts. Sprinkle as much or as little in the tub as you would like and turn your bathroom into a tropical fruity paradise. These bath salts bring together sweet notes of summer fruits with all of the fizz to freshen up your bath time. Soothe tired limbs with the fresh scents of sweet peaches or watermelon. You will receive one of the 2 fragrances, and I definitely got the watermelon, but it smells mainly just fruity to me. Next out, I feel like Mary Poppins. This is the box that, you know how she just keeps pulling things out? This box just keeps on giving. We have the All Good Mineral Sport Sunscreen. You guys know I prefer mineral sunscreen. It is an SPF 30 broad spectrum water and sweat resistant for 80 minutes. Heading out, don't forget a little sunscreen. Use this SPF 30 Sport Mineral Sunscreen. Tuck it in your bag as it is a convenient size. It has a broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection, and it's water resistant. And it goes the extra mile with a commitment to reef-friendly ingredients that are lightweight, non-greasy, and actually hydrate and repair the skin. And it is vegan and cruelty-free. Sounds fantastic. If it is important to you, I can still feel the eye cream. It's not enough that, you know, when I put my makeup over it, it would bother me, but just so you know. Put a little bit of the sunscreen on my hand over here and we'll see how it looks. It's a very light scent, just very clean. I don't think I got a cast from it. I don't know, it's hard to tell with my lighting, but I don't think there's any cast on my hand. It's still shiny. Look, they're both shiny from the balm that we used. That balm feels fantastic. Yeah, we will absolutely use that. Okay. Next out of my ever-giving box, we have the sand-free Turkish towel. I have to tell you, this is my first 180-degree box, and I am loving it. This is what it looks like once I get it out of its plastic. It says sand-free Turkish towel. It's 35 inches by 75 inches, and the paperwork says everything feels better when you wrap yourself in an extra large, soft, and warm Turkish beach towel. This quick-drying Turkish towel is extremely effective and ideal for use in the bath, pool, or beach. Lightweight and easy to carry as well. Enjoy this multi-purpose sand-free Turkish towel all summer long, even at the gym, a yoga session, a spa, or as an attractive cover-up when wandering the resort or at home. And by the way, it says it's by Monarch. I'm not gonna fully unwrap it because I would like it to say kind of small, but I hope you guys can tell the colors are gorgeous on the, oh, I hope it comes across some. The colors are like a very light mint green and then kind of a lavender. Then we have a kind of a denim-y, slightly leaning seafoam, and then a sage color and a beige. They are just gorgeous. That is so pretty. And it feels amazing, really soft and cottony. Can't do it. Okay, next out we have this, and it's stamped 180 degrees. And I think it's jewelry. Oh, it is. Oh, it's pretty. It's like bracelets. Can you guys tell how beautiful that is? Very pretty. It says at the bottom, this month's bonus gift, fashion stack bracelets. Let's just take them all off there and put it all on here. Ooh, I like that look. Do you guys like a stacked bracelet look? I think it's so pretty. That is so pretty and summery. I love that. I don't know, what do you think? You tell me. That's very pretty. What a fun box. You know, it starts right when you open it. Look how beautiful the inside of that box is. Hello, beautiful. And then it says at 180 degree box, and it shows Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So they must have 180 degree box at all of those. And in the July box, there was this gorgeous sand-free Turkish towel, the bubble tea watermelon bath salts. They smell amazing. The gift from the gods, kind of waterproof cosmetic case, the Reharvest Smoothie Pop that is all nice clean ingredients. I can even have it on my Whole30. Very excited. The And Company self-tanning drops that I really want to put into my body lotion to help tan all of this up. The CLLC moisturizing eye cream, the Wicks and Scents bar soap, the All Good sunscreen, the Ozala cooling body balm for Après-Sun, and tucked up under this box holding it are really pretty bracelets. I remember the bracelets. So pretty. What a great box. I will put a link below along with my code, which will get you 15% off your first box. I want to thank them for sending this box over. Thank you so much for coming by and spending your time, which I know is precious, here with us at the channel. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you again really soon. Take care, guys.